Hi, welcome to Biorev Scoop and welcome to 7 Days 7 Tips series. Friends, in this series, we will share 7 tips on digital marketing on 7 consecutive days. And we are sure that you did not know about these tips. So, what are we waiting for? Please like and share this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the videos that we are sharing here at Biorev Scoop. So, let's put on our learning caps and let's get started. Day 6, tip number 6, and the tip is 5 SEO practices that you should keep in mind. Friends, a simple Google search spits about 27 billion search results. Yes, you heard it right, 27 billion search results. In such a scenario, coming on the first page of the Google, leave aside ranking number 1, is a Herculean task. Here comes SEO in the picture, and today we are going to tell you 5 simple practices which you should use to improve on your SEO ranking. Number 1, content is king. Friends, in 2020 and in the coming years, content is the king. Believe you me friends, your content will either make you or break you. So it is very important to focus on creating the right kind of content for the right kind of audience. And when I am talking about content, I must mention that Google crawlers are so advanced today that they have the capacity to crawl through not only your text but your images, your videos and the metadata of the content. So as long as your content is good, you are on the right path. Number 2, title and meta description. Friends, title and meta description are an inseparable part of your content. Every content that you create needs to have a proper title and meta description in place to even start off your SEO journey. Your title and meta description is the first thing that appears on a Google search page, and it has the capability to attract the audience or to drive away the audience. So it is very important, friends, to focus on an appropriate and a catchy title and a meta description which supports your SEO efforts. If too many people ignore your link, then Google considers your content to be inappropriate and as being not liked by people and pushes it down the SERP rank. So keep your title SEO friendly with proper approach to the focus keyword, and also keep in mind that after all, it's a human that will read your article. Number 3, user experience. Always make it a point that your users have a great experience on your website. Why? Because Google can track your user experience on your website, and if it finds a high bounce rate, it will automatically push you down the SERP rankings. And how can you maintain a good user experience? Let's see. Keep the load time as low as possible. Make the website as interactive and user-friendly as possible. Do not beat around the bush. Be concise, be precise, and give your users what they want ASAP. And do not overwhelm your users with too many third-party ads, as they are really distracting. 4, make your website mobile friendly. Google has stated that more than 50% of their searches come on mobile devices. So friends, it is very important for us to make the website mobile friendly on a device, on a platform on it is being searched for half the time. If your website loses its shine on a mobile device, it will definitely increase your bounce rate, and as a result, you will move down the SERP rank. To know more about how you can build a mobile friendly website on Wix or WordPress, you can visit our YouTube channel by clicking on the link given in the description. And if you want to still get a better understanding, do visit our website biorev.com/blog. 5, link building. Friends, it is not only important to build an incredible website, it is equally important to link it. Link it internally, link it externally, and have other websites linked to your website. Friends, when you create interlinking and intralinking and also backlinking, you ultimately increase your domain score. You make Google believe that your website and your content is credible and is being referred to by higher authority sites. This will automatically help you rank higher in SEO search results. Even in 2020, the Google algorithm goes like, if you have more backlinks from trustworthy sites, you have more authority than your competitors. So these were the 5 SEO tips, and I'm sure they were helpful to you. So friends, I'm sure you must have been able to derive some value out of this video. Am I correct? So please like and share this video, and once again do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos here at Biorev Scoop. So we'll meet tomorrow once again with the next important tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep watching Biorev Scoop.